What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add a product on Wish.com. So first of all, there are two ways to add a product. Firstly, through setup process. As you can see, you can add your first product from right here. Or you can go to catalog and then store products. And here, as you can see, you can add a new product. Let's do a physical product for this tutorial. Now what you can do, you can title the product, you can add images and videos. Also, you have to add the product info, the name, the ribbon, the description of your product, the pricing as well, if it's on sale or not. And you can add also custom text or product options, even the inventory and shipping. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching. After you complete all the things, what you need to do is to go on and save the product like so. And after you click on save, you will see your product on your website. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.